Sir C.V. Raman. Sir C.V. Raman was born on November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Madras Presidency, now called as Trichy, Tamil Nadu. His full name was Chandrasekhara Venkataraman. C.V. Raman's family. Sir C.V. Raman's father was Chandrasekhara Ramanathan Iyer, a teacher of mathematics and physics. His mother was Parvati Ammal. Raman was the second of 8 children. In 1907, he married Lokasundari Ammal and had 2 sons, namely Chandrasekhar and Radhakrishnan. Education. At the age of 11, he passed his matriculation and 12th class at the age of 13 with a scholarship. In 1902, he joined Presidency College in Madras, now called Chennai, and received his graduate degree in 1904. At that time, he was the only student who received the first division. He has done his masters in physics from the same college and broke all the previous records. Career. He appeared for the Financial Civil Services FCS examination and topped it. In 1907, he went to Calcutta and joined as Assistant Accountant General. But in the spare time, he went to the laboratory for doing research at the Indian Association for Cultivation of Sciences. He got an opportunity to join the University of Calcutta in 1917 as the first Pallet Professor of Physics. After 15 years at Calcutta, he became the professor at the Indian Institute of Science at Bangalore from 1933 to 1948. And since 1948, he became the director of the Raman Institute of Research at Bangalore, which was established and endowed by him only. Raman Effect. While sailing across the Mediterranean in 1921 to Europe as a delegate to Oxford University, the deep blue of the ocean that caught his attention made Raman suspect the validity of Lord Rayleigh's theory that blue color of the sea is merely a reflection of the sky. He initiated a series of experiments on scattering of light by molecules of liquid. Eventually, this led to the discovery of Raman effect that won him a Nobel Prize in Science in 1930, making India the first Asian country to win the honor of such a distinction. Raman effect is the change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. When a beam of light traverses a dust-free, transparent sample of a chemical compound, a small fraction of the light emerges in directions other than that of the incident beam. Most of this scattered light is of unchanged wavelength. A small part, however, has wavelengths different from that of the incident light. Its presence is a result of the Raman effect. Awards and honors. In 1924, he was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society early in his career and was knighted in 1929. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He was awarded the Franklin Medal in 1941. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954, the highest civilian award in India. In 1957, he was awarded the Lenin Peace Prize.
Thank you.